off all this white. I want to leave the white on the base because I'm going to do the top red. Wow. Wow. It's water soluble too, so that makes me happy. And I'll probably use this brush. It's called Roadster. It is water based. If you're freaking out that I'm painting in my house, I just clean it up. But I'm pretty careful anyway. See, I've got like an apron on this time because I got told off in one of my other videos for wearing a really nice cardigan while I was painting. It was actually really funny. I actually really liked the comment. I felt like it was like mum saying, "You ruined that, didn't you? You should have worn something else." Anyway, it's good to know that subscribers care, right? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get this finished and done. Okay, well, I didn't like it. So when I came back, I started sanding it back, and I think I will sand it back to bare because when I painted over it, you could see, you know, you could see the actual thick strokes that weren't even from the purple. So I've decided it's gonna get sanded, but of course I don't have any pads for it, so I gotta go to the hardware store. But this looks cute, I think. The chair with the red on it just needs one more coat of paint with the red on that. Wow, I almost don't want to paint it red now, but that's right back. It'll look pretty cool though. Seriously, I'm so tempted to leave it like that. Alright, so I have decided to use Annie Sloan Clear Soft Wax. When it goes on, it changes the colour into a darker colour, but when it dries, it goes back to the normal kind of colour.